Hi guys, today I will show you how to block websites on Chrome in PC. Well, the first step is to open Chrome. Then we will search for Chrome extensions. Here, we will search for block websites. Click on the extension called Block Site and add it to Chrome. Okay, now click on this extensions icon and click here to set the extension. Here we can block both iframes and domains. Here we simply type the site we want to block. For example, if I want to block ChatGPT, I will type the URL. In this case, www.chatgpt.com, and here below it will come out that we have already blocked it. To be sure, we copy the URL of the web and we will look for it in Google. And if you get this, it will be blocked correctly. In case we want to remove the blocking of the web, we will click right here where I am marking. That was all. If the video was useful to you, leave me a like and subscribe. If not, leave me a comment and I will try to help you. Thanks!